So I'm out working in my car today and trying to keep up with the healthy routine of maintaining my diabetes. And if I recall correctly, I'm not supposed to have this much quinoa in my plate, but it's there. But I got my avocado, got some chicken, a little sour cream, of course, the black beans and the tomato. If I'm not mistaken, I'm supposed to have at least half a cup or no more than a cup, and that definitely looks more than a cup. But I am doing my very, very best. It's hard being, I don't know, I don't want to say diagnosed with something and trying to change your lifestyle, but it's been beneficial for me because I have seen some inches come off that waist. So there you go. So I just want to share a couple of tips with every small business owner because these are some things that prior to me, well, I've been in business 28 years, but it still never fails that sometimes you don't feel necessarily comfortable with addressing people for sales because sales can seem or come off as kind of pushy, kind of, I don't know, but people don't like to be sold. I always like to tell people when you are selling things to people, be mindful of what their needs are, because if their needs don't match what you're trying to sell, more than likely, they're not going to be interested in buying it. And it's so important that we pay attention to needs versus wants. You know, a lot of things when we're talking about wants, or like when we go into the store and we buy something impulse sometimes because we want it. That new purse, that new car, that new dress, that new piece of furniture. A lot of times wants drive our needs. And so when you are looking to sell things to people, you need to be mindful of what it is they need, because their needs can turn into wants. And you have to learn the impulse shopping technique words to address that. Once you find out their needs, you can sell to those wants by saying something along the lines of, this will help you change your life, but you also have to give them a reason and a solution as to how it would change your life. Your hair. You know, I'm wearing one of my favorite wigs today. That shampoo that I'm selling you today, or that shampoo that you're buying or purchasing, is going to make your wig look vibrant. It's going to make it look full. It's going to give it more life, okay? I've had this wig for quite some time, and I wash it continuously, and it looks like it a little dried out a little bit. So I need some vibrant oil sheens to add to the wig to give it some vibrant looks. And so if you have a product that's based upon that, then you want to sell to those needs. You know, this is my favorite wig. You know, wigs don't last that long, especially if they're synthetic, which this is. And so that product should address my concern, because I want this wig. I love this wig, but this wig, if it got to look good, I got to wear it well. Okay. And so your product and your purpose will be to sell me on making this wig look good, where I can keep it longer. And when I get ready to put it on, it looks fly. Okay. So that is my small business tip for you today while I'm out here running some errands. It is a nice day, you guys. I just simply cannot believe how nice it is. I got avocado on my tea. How nice it is compared to what it's been like. We got like maybe 8 inches of snow, and it was really beautiful to see the snow. You probably could see it from my back dirty window back there and all the other crap I got in my car right now. But it was really beautiful to see snow, because we really have not gotten snow in quite some time. And to see it, to be stuck in the house, look, y'all, I'm just gonna be honest with you. Being at home has become my greatest joy. Why? Because I'm around people that love me, and I don't have to be around people that don't want to cover their mouth and, you know, things of that nature. Simple things that we should have learned as a child. People don't want to do it as an adult. But it's been great. And I have no, you know, I hear a lot of people, I'm ready to get back to the office. No, I am not one of them people. I do work a lot from home anyway, so it really kind of just actually enhanced my situation. But if that's you, that you got to get back to work, make sure them people wash your hands when you go to lunch, come out the bathroom, all that kind of stuff, because these people still out here getting COVID, and they're getting it in record numbers. People are still dying every day, and I still don't understand why people want to fight and fuss about wearing a mask. It just makes no darn sense to me, you know, especially if you're not willing to get tested, especially if you don't have the vaccine. To each his own, and I understand people concerns about things related to that, but then I don't understand, because what makes you think that you have rights that I don't? I had COVID, and I know it was not a comfortable situation. It was the most horrible experience in my life, but I tell you what, it made me appreciate life. And some people need to go through some things in order to appreciate life. And that's unfortunate to say, but it is what it is. Because look, life will take you up and down, and you got to always continuously understand that it's not always about you. A lot of times it's about other people and how you make them feel when you're around them, when you're with them, and when you're doing things for them. So that is my point for today. So let me go ahead and finish eating my bowl here so that I can go ahead and get started and finish with the rest of the things I have to do. So I hope you're having a great day out there. Blessings and peace. Talk to you soon.